Welcome back to another amazing video. My name is Aaron, and I am here because I love technology. I'm here for the love of tech, and you are here for the love of your tech, or maybe for the love of my tech. Either way, you are here for the love of tech, and I have a cold, and I apologize, and I'm pushing through and making this amazing video anyways because it is overdue, because this box has been sitting in my studio for several days. And what do we do with boxes? We unbox them. We take things out of the box and we look at it and we examine them. I think I killed Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda, where's the box? Thank you, Baby Yoda. Here it is, a lovely FedEx box, which, if I had to guess, contains my Google Pixel Buds A. Now, what does this A mean? What does this A stand for? Some says it stands for affordable. We're not exactly sure what the A stands for, but we are opening this up. Oh! I thought these were the Pixel Buds, and they are actually OnePlus's amazing Bullets Wireless Z. These are amazing. I bought them because they are my favorite earbuds, especially for when I go to bed at night. I happen to sleep in bed with a man that snores very, very loud, that likes to pretend like I'm the one who snores loud. So to remedy that situation and to stay married, I put these in my ears every single night. Drowned out all the sound. I listen to my meditation. Nothing gets through, despite there being no noise canceling technology in there. So these little guys were like 59 bucks, I think, and they were on sale. Paid 39 or 29 bucks a piece. It was a killer deal. I've already showcased these two guys once before and did an unboxing, but now I literally have like months of experience under my belt using these. So these things I absolutely stand by. If you're like, hey, do you know of a pair of budget or cheaper earbuds? I'm going to point you in the direction of these all day, every day. So here we got the right, here we have the left. And if you look at it, this is pretty much the design of it underneath in the box. You'll see it in a second. So there are the buds. Open this up. You get a USB-C charger. So that is handy. Little bag of some earbuds, some gummies as I like to call it, which the reason why I ended up buying a new pair is because my gummies fell out and I didn't know how to replace them other than buying a whole brand new set. So here they are. I'm unboxing things and not even knowing what I'm unboxing. Surprise, surprise. So here they are. They are really, really awesome. They go around. They should fit nice and smug and comfy, and I absolutely love it. So, and then when you're not using them, they magnet on. So these are great for like all the time. When I say all the time, I mean all the time. You can wear them in the morning, you can go off into the world. When I talk to you and I'm on these, you're not like, oh, you sound like you're in a hallway, you're so far away. None of that is happening with these headphones, with these earbuds. The way that these work, you plug them into the ears and you kind of enter the pairing mode by pushing and holding this button right here. And when you hold it long enough, you will eventually hear a little ding. Not hearing anything. There we go. Now they're activated. I guess you gotta pair up first and then you hear the ding, which definitely makes sense. So these actually, the functionality of them is pretty simple. You got your HD audio, phone calls, media, contact sharing. You can disconnect. It is super simple to go ahead and switch in between devices. There's a little button right up here. It's right here. You go ahead and hit that twice and it will switch in between devices. And after several months of intense use of these, I can go ahead and confirm and absolutely promise it switches those devices very, very easy. One of the things I love the most about these is they stay around your neck. You definitely miss and are missing out on the true wireless earbuds experience by having them connected to a little wire, if you will, but it also allows you to put them in, listen, not have one in or the other depending on where you're situated. You can choose if you need to hear something over there or in that part of the house, or if you're like me and you're going to bed and you don't want to hear anything at all, you just go to bed. Now, the best part about it is you don't worry about losing them, and that is what I love the most. Come over here, just fire up Spotify, play some good vibe songs, put in, immediately hear the little ding telling me that it's connected. I hit play. I can hear through the earbuds. No changing of the settings or anything like that. You know, I think because these are wired, it helps it have a little bit more power in the earbuds. It's not like all of the technology has to be pushed into here. They've got technology in here, all the way through there, probably the power cord and the connectors. And you have your USB-C plug, so you can go ahead and fast charge these with a warp charger. And technically, the way that they're advertising it over here is it gets you 10-minute charge. We'll go ahead and get you 10 hours of playback time, which is absolutely phenomenal. I love these. They are my favorite. I went around the house and looked for another package in which my Pixel Buds are, and those are being delivered to my office actually yesterday. Nobody was there, so surprise, Pixel Buds video coming in the near future. Yay. The only other package I had in the house is another OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z package that I bought from eBay that I forgot I ordered, and I actually ordered 2 more from OnePlus once they become available. So there it is, the reboxing of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z headphones, or is it? Yeah, Bullets Wireless Z headphones. It's kind of a mouthful there, but they look good. They don't look great. As far as style is concerned, they're kind of lacking. They feel phenomenal in the ears. They sound great. They're portable. They're functional. They're great to talk to people on. Really, if you are looking for a productivity headset, kind of takes place of the old Bluetooth in your ear talker, if you will. These for like, what were they, 29 or 39 bucks on OnePlus's website? Even at $59 full price, they are an absolute steal. Guys, till next time. If you like something you saw, like, comment, subscribe, share my content with your friends and family on social media. I appreciate all of the comments, all of the likes, and all of the shares. Till next time, namaste.